I'm going to show you how I make my vanilla buttercream. It is, well, it's easy. What do I need to say about it? I'm going to show you how I make my vanilla buttercream. So this is the video to save, to go back to when you make pretty much all of my cakes. This is always the base and where I start. And so do this and you can be really flexible with what you put in it. So if you want to turn it into chocolate buttercream or caramel, this is where I start every single time. I have my icing sugar in my mixer bowl and my butter is quite soft. It's almost melty. So I'm going to put that in as well. We're going to whip this on a medium speed on the stand mixer for about 5 minutes. Just start off with this low speed, just so the butter can grab all of that icing sugar, and then we can turn it up higher. If you turn it up high now, it will literally puff right up at your face, so you don't want that. Okay. Sweet air. Okay, now I'm going to turn it up. Just leave that going for a couple of minutes. You can hear it. You can tell that the butter has grabbed all of that icing sugar. I'm going to turn it up even higher now. It's been mixing for a couple of minutes. So what I'm going to do now is just scrape down the bowl. See how it's really light on the inside and it's still quite yellow on the edges. I'm going to scrape that butter and icing sugar into the center so then the mixer can hit those beaters and get it nice and light and fluffy as well. Is that my favorite thing to say? Light and fluffy? I think I say it like 50 times a day, but it's true. Literally goes nice and light and fluffy. Okay, back onto the mixer. Another couple of minutes. So I'm going to add the vanilla essence, the hot water, and also a pinch of salt. If you're using salted butter, you don't need to add any extra salt, but I'm using unsalted, so I'm going to add my salt in. Okay, that's it all done. Nice and light and fluffy. We're ready to go for anything really, so always come back to this. This is your base for any cake we're making. Yum. Better than Swiss meringue buttercream. It is. This is just a plain American buttercream. And people say it can be gritty, but you know, you just have to work with it. I think it's yum. It's better than the slippery Swiss meringue. Ugh, and the egg white. Ugh.